Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you the super easy half cut crease look. It is spring and unicorn inspired. I really love this look, so I really hope you guys continue watching if you like it. I came on here looking hella crusty, but that's okay. We're gonna look cute in a minute. So going in with my Morphe 35B palette, I'm taking the lighter and the darker pink and using that as my transition shade. So I'm just blending that in the crease. Also packing more of that darker pink just to intensify the crease a bit. And don't worry about it looking sloppy because we're gonna cut the crease anyways. It's gonna look really cute at the end, I promise. So next I'm going back into the palette and taking that, kind of reminds me of like a Barney purple. So I'm taking the purple and putting it in my outer corner and blending that in the crease as well. Blending that with that pink transition shade. So we're just intensifying the outer crease. Blending that in. Just be sure to switch back and forth with the purple so that it evens out a bit. So we don't want to lose the pink, and we also definitely do not want to lose the purple as well. And like I said, we're cutting the crease, so don't worry about it looking neat. It looks so crusty. Oh my god. But next, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Warm Honey, and we're cutting the crease. As you can see, I'm struggling a bit because I barely have a lid. There is a little trick that I use. I just look up and kind of like marks the line a bit. So that's what we're doing, just doing a half crease. Next, I'm going back into that palette and using like this turquoise blue greenish color and putting that on top of the concealer on the lid. And I really love this color combination, so comment below what you think of it. Like, I just think it's so different and so out there. Like, it just reminds me so much of, you know, just happy things, happy colors. That sounds really corny, but you get the point. It's beautiful. I like the colors together. So next, I'm just blending the purple in with the turquoise, just so that it just seems, you know, flawless and seamless and put together. And I told you this look is really easy to do. And I didn't show it, but I also put it underneath my waterline as well. I just wanted to put that out there and mention it, as you saw in the intro. Like, next, I am taking these glitters that I got from superglitters.com. These glitters are $1, and the name of this glitter is called Gemini Green. So I'm just packing that on the lid. I used setting spray on the brush because I didn't have a glitter glue, but use whatever you have, whatever works. And it's coming together nicely. I really like it. I'm proud of myself, actually. Not to toot my own horn, but okay, back to reality. So just packing that on. I also didn't record it, but my wing liner, just used the e.l.f. and Sephora liner, my favorite liners. I didn't show it, but yeah, my wing liner is usually better than that. I just was not having a good eyeliner day, but luckily you can't tell too bad. But going in with my Sephora mattifying primer, I'm just prepping my skin for my foundation. Next, this is my favorite foundation of all times. This is the Sephora brand foundation, and I'm in the color, what color am I in? Deep Mocha. So this foundation is only $20. Like, it's affordable and like really good quality. So if you're on a budget, I'd look into it. Next, I'm going back in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal and just concealing my face underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and my chin as well. I really love this concealer, and if you've used it before, you know that you have to work with it very quickly with blending, or else it will literally not move. It will stay on your face and it will not blend for nothing. But I still love this concealer, so I still recommend it. It's cheap, so that's also a plus. So I'm just taking my beauty blender, super dirty, but I'm just blending that out. Next, I am taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in Earth, and I use that just to contour my face, my nose, my cheeks, and that double chin of mine. So yeah, I'm eating too much McDonald's and Chipotle. So now I'm just blending that out. And don't worry, I know it kind of looks, you know, crappy now, but it's gonna look put together in the end, I promise. So I'm just blending out my contour. I forgot to mention, I did not bake because when I recorded this video, I wasn't going anywhere. So normally when I bake, it's for something that's long lasting. So if you want to bake, go ahead and do that. So it's all on you, your preference. This is just how I decided to do it. And I'm just taking my compact powder by Sephora in I think it's neutral mocha. Yeah, I think it's neutral mocha. Everything will be down in the description below. So I'm just blending that out to even out my face. I can't talk today, but yeah, just to even out my face a bit from the contour and highlight, just so it looks one and put together. Next, going into my contour kit. This is the Sephora brand, by the way, and I'm just taking that deep darker color and just setting my contour. And I'm also going to be blending that out a bit. So we're going to be looking basic to baddie real quick. Just getting rid of that double chin. Ugh. Next, I'm taking these Illuminating Drops from Sephora as well, just to give myself a little bit of a glow. I don't want a super bright highlight because the look is so dramatic and colorful, so I don't want anything else to take away from the eyes. Not to say I want it to look natural, because it's not really natural, but you know, very subtle since the eye is so colorful and bright. So just a little bit of a glow. And I'm also going to be setting that with my Black Radiance highlighter and gingersnap. I didn't show it either, but I did set my face. Like I said, everything will be down in the description. Next, I'm just putting on mascara and also putting on my lashes from Aliexpress. And as for lips, just, you know, Fenty Beauty gloss and Kylie lip liner and True Brown K, and there you go. Bam, glam, wham, all the oxymorons. Girl, you looking fabulous. I was looking a little ratchet a bit, but you know, I came back. But well, I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below on what you think. So I will see you guys next time. So bye.